Honorable Minister, if I could actually request you to stay on stage to give away the awards, and I would also like to invite on stage Mr. Puri to also join us with the Honorable Minister here, as well as Dr. Ramcharan. All right. We actually begin today with our Business Icon Awards. And these awards are particularly special. They've been put together by the Business Today editorial board, comprising its top editors. The awards are a recognition and felicitation of really the legends of India, Inc. Doyens of our industry who've commanded and played a pivotal role in India's economic progress. I'd like to begin by talking about Mr. N.R. Narayana Murthy, co-founder, Infosys, Chairman, Catamaran. He is the legendary co-founder of the global IT giant Infosys and has been the chairman, chief executive and president, as well as chief mentor of the company before retiring and taking the title Chairman Emeritus. Mr. Murthy has been honored with the Padma Vibhushan and Padma Shri awards. We'd like to play a brief AV.
N.R. Narayana Murthy's name is synonymous with India's IT revolution. Co-founder of Infosys, he pioneered India's tryst with information technology. The global delivery model, the backbone of India's IT prowess, is his brainchild. Murthy is also credited with the concept of a 24-hour workday and has been at the forefront of India's startup and unicorn movement. He is, by all reckoning, one of India's greatest entrepreneurs of today.
Mr. Murthy, please do come up on stage. India's best CEO, Agriculture and Allied, Mayank Singhal, Vice Chairman and Managing Director, PI Industries. A big round of applause, everybody. A major player in agrochemicals, PI has grown its revenue and profits every year since 2018. In the first 9 months of FY22 as well, revenue and PAT up by 16% and 14%. The company boasts higher than industry average margins and is now planning its next phase of growth. Congratulations, Mayank.
So thank you, and very humbled and honored to be here. I must thank people, as I say, all stakeholders who's made it possible for us to be at this position as an organization, and to each and every employee who supported me over this journey of the company. We are now 75 years in an organization, constantly evolving and changing, and I can make you sure, Mr. Goel and the country, that PI will make the nation proud for what we do to put it in the forefront of your dreams. Thank you.